Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sugar cookies Lofthouse updated. Cream butter and sugar until light, add eggs and vanilla, then fold in flour and baking powder until a soft dough forms. Chill the dough for at least 1 hour to make rolling easier. Roll to about 3.5 inches thickness, cut shapes, and bake at 350 degrees F for 8 to 10 minutes until edges are set. Let cool before frosting and enjoy. Start with room temperature butter and measured ingredients for consistent results. Then sift flour to avoid lumps and overmixing. Use a stand mixer on low speed until ingredients just combine to keep cookies tender and soft. For brighter frosting, add a teaspoon of meringue powder or a bit of corn syrup for shine and stability, and use gel food coloring for vivid hues without thinning the icing. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more baking tips and quick recipes. Quick recommendation: the product seen here is the Echo Dot Smart Speaker, which adds music and timers while you bake and makes a fun kitchen companion. Check the description for the link and other deals, and feel free to ask questions below if you want recipe tweaks. Now let's get back to the video. Always preheat the oven to ensure even baking, and use a light-colored baking sheet to prevent over-browning, rotating pans halfway through for uniform color. Bake just until edges set and centers look slightly underbaked to keep the cookies soft after cooling and to avoid dryness. Store baked cookies in an airtight container separated by parchment to protect frosting, and freeze plain dough or baked cookies wrapped tightly for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.